Hindi siya rare car, pero super hard to get car. Yes, very hard to get. Dinala ni client dito sa atin, gusto niya magpakabit ng electric step board. Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. Another project here today. This is a 2024 Super Grandia Elite. Hindi siya rare car, pero super hard to get car. Yes, very hard to get. Anong papagawa ni client ngayon? Punta tayo sa likod. Actually, this car is almost complete. Wala ka nang gagawin sa loob kasi naka-captain seats siya and everything. Pero in this case, client gusto niya magpagawa ng electric stepboard kasi medyo nahirapan sila umakit, babaan ng car. Actually, like for a young person, wala tayong problem umakit baba. Pero actually, ngayon, mapapansin mo, medyo mataas din siya for a young adult like me, na hindi masyadong maliit, hindi rin masyadong matangkad. So in this case of client, lagi siya nagsasakay ng medyo elderly konti. Nahihirapan sila mag-akit baba ng car. Dinala ni client dito sa atin, gusto niya magpakabit ng electric stepboard para every time pagbukas ng door niya, magkakaroon ng isa pang step sa baba para mas madali mag-akit and baba ng kanilang Super Grandia Elite. So I hope you guys are excited to see the transformation of this car. As I always say, wait till you see. Let's go! Alright, natapos na natin mag-install. So pagkatingin nyo, there should be nothing, as in hindi nyo mahalata. Pero once you open the door, lalabas na yung ating stepboard. So ngayon, hindi na siya sobrang mataas na magiging parang one big step. Ang gagawin nyo na lang is two small steps. Then makakaakit na kayo sa inyong Super Grandia Elite. So if you guys are interested in this item or any other of our item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and let us see you next time. Goodbye!